In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Catherine Hall Primary won and decided to send St. Catherine Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. Catherine Prep. In the parable of the 10 virgins, at what time did the bridegroom arrive?
Midnight.
Correct. Catherine Hall, in the parable of the Good Samaritan, how many people passed by an injured man before he was assisted?
Two.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this late civil rights leader.
Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Correct. Catherine Hall, look at the monitor and identify this late South African president.
Nelson Mandela.
Correct. Science, St. Catherine, transmission is when sound travels through an object. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Incorrect, it's true. Catherine Hall, speed is calculated by dividing distance by time. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Rocket, but I don't remember. What is something with rocket?
Rocket
boy.
Incorrect, it's Otto Rocket from Rocket Power. Catherine Hall, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character. St. Catherine Prep, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Tito Makani from Rocket Power. English language, St. Catherine Prep. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of legal.
Illegal.
Correct. Catherine Hall. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of rational.
Irrational.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer.
Michael Holding.
Michael Holding.
Correct. Catherine Hall, look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer. St. Catherine Prep, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Vivian Richards. General knowledge, St. Catherine Prep. Which country has the longest wall?
China.
Correct. Catherine Hall. Which country has the largest land area?
Russia.
Correct. Social studies, St. Catherine Prep. Long Mountain is located in which Jamaican parish?
Westmoreland.
Incorrect, St. Andrew. Catherine Hall. Mount Diablo is located in which Jamaican parish?
St. Catherine.
Incorrect, it's St. Anne. Music, St. Catherine. To which specific family of instruments does the flute belong?
Woodwind.
Correct. Catherine Hall. To which specific family of instruments does the trombone belong?
Wind.
Incorrect, brass wind. That's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Catherine Prep on 6 and Catherine Hall Primary on 5. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Haste makes waste. Pack your school bag from overnight so you don't have to be rushing in the mornings and forget important items such as your homework or project. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.